Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to adjust the sound in your videos in CapCut. But first I wanted to tell you that don't forget to subscribe, because at 100,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how you can make money online. So let's jump into it. First, open the app. Now you have to select one of your projects, or if you want to have a new one, click on that plus icon, and now you have to select one video from your gallery in order to edit it. I'm going to use this one, and you can see that there is a sound, but I'm going to delete it and show you how to add one from the beginning. So here you can see the sound option. First on the homepage, audio, then the sounds, and I'm going to use one of the recommended sounds. Okay, and now you can see that I can move it. If I click on it and hold, now I can move it, and I can delete parts of the audio. I need to select the exact moment. I have to click on the split, and now you can see that I have two parts, and if I want to delete one of the parts, I have to click on it, or select that part and click on the delete. And after that, if I click on the sound section from the start or from the end of it, I can adjust it to make it shorter or longer. It depends, of course. And if I want to use that sound again, the sound is too short maybe, but you want to have that sound throughout your whole video, then it's really simple. You have to scroll and you can see the last option is copy, and in this way the CapCut copied that sound section and added after it. So now you can see that it doubled it, and of course you can triple it and so on. So this is how you can adjust your audio in CapCut. I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, please consider subscribing, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.